In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send your USDT from Bitget Wallet to your Bitget Exchange account. Guys, so first of all, to transfer USDT, we need to open our Bitget Exchange. Then you need to click on Assets on the bottom menu and select Add Funds. Right here, you need to select the first option, which is Deposit Crypto. In this case, we are depositing USDT, so in the search bar, type USDT and open the USDT option. Now we need to select the network. I suggest you use BEP20 Binance Smart Chain Network because it has the lowest fees. So let's copy the BEP20 wallet address from Bitget Exchange and go to the Bitget wallet. Now we need to select Wallet on the bottom menu and select USDT. Then click Send. We need to paste the wallet address from our Bitget Exchange that we just copied. Then we need to enter the amount of USDT we're going to send. As you can see, guys, there's a fee, which is very low, 0.05 USD. But in this case, it's free, and it doesn't require us to pay this fee. So let's click the Confirm button, and as you can see, there is zero fee. Let's click the Confirm button again and enter the PIN code. And as you can see, guys, we successfully sent our USDT from our Bitget wallet to our Bitget Exchange. Now we need to wait a few minutes, and then we can check our balance. And that's all. Subscribe, it's free.